image might be abolished right now.
I don't think so. This is all just... This is unfortunate what went on last week.
Workplace harassment.
It was Friday, I think.
Sort of assault on the eyes. There are various different ways that we could term it. This is a claim that you make too much.
You can look through my phone right now. There's nothing there, which is great. I'm really proud of that.
Not true, because poor old Darkweb Ben, who's just joined the show,
doing some great work.
He's doing great work.
Well, you can see the video of my children and the $50 notes inside the toilet rolls. That's on the. Don't
try and distract us, mate. We know what's on the socials. Ben does great work, but as far as
why this happened, though. That's why this went on.
Okay.
You was getting video. You were getting those videos of my children, weren't you?
I was on your phone. I said, hey, can I grab this bit of footage off your phone? Yeah, no worries. I'm like, can I scroll? And he said, yeah, I'm not hiding anything. There's nothing to worry about.
Hang on. Did you say the words, I'm not hiding anything? Did you say those words?
No, what I said is, I said what we replayed. You can look through my phone right now. There's nothing there, which is great. I'm really proud of that. And I absolutely am proud of that.
Set up. Because Ben, what did you see? There's clearly nothing. What happened when you went into that dark place?
It's really hard to go back and think about it, because I tried to scratch it and erase it from my mind because it's that bad. But Ed, I'm going to pass the photo.
I haven't seen these yet. You got to remember that. I have not seen these yet.
This is exactly what I saw, and you can describe it to our listeners. I'll also put it up on our Instagram, Husey and Ed, if you want to follow that.
Oh my God.
No, look, that one that you're looking at now, even I am disturbed by that. And I took it.
Oh my God.
That was, I did not realise how disturbing that looked.
Oh my God.
Alright, the one that
okay, so there's
the first ones.
There's two.
Can we put, I don't think we can put that up.
Yes, we can.
We're going to.
Which I call exhibit. I'm calling this.
I have a career. I host a TV show.
Well, you're not an underwear model. That's what you're not. You are. So what it is? It's a photograph of your face, Husey, grinning like a person who's taking a disgusting photo, and leaning into the mirror so that we can see what can only be described as the hardest working G-string in showbiz, strapped to your buns and disappearing into an awful crevice.
Yep, that's what I saw.
And you're grinning in a hotel room. Yeah, this, my friend, is evidence. This, my friend, is evidence of someone who is starting a new life as a perv.
I'm not.
Why would you take this? And then there's one where you're not happy with that, so you've gone, I'll get a better angle on it, and you've taken it into the bathroom.
I was trying to find the right angle.
And you've gone to the vanity mirror.
Yeah, I know, there was nowhere, I couldn't find a good angle. That was the problem.
That's so true.
Now,
there is no such thing.
Look,
this is awful.
I'm wearing.
Why are you in the nude? Why don't you have a shirt? Why in one of these don't you have a shirt on? Why are you?
Because I'm trying to look for different angles.
What angles?
That make me look good with that G-string on.
Oh.
So I
stopped saying it.
Well, I bought the G-string at the airport
of
a young woman.
Really?
No, it wasn't hers. She was working at a shop.
How many women did you have to go up to?
No,
and
just
say,
the one.
Can I?
She said, what size do you want? I said, what size am I? She said, you realise these are women? So I said, yes, I realised. I do realise. She said, you want the top as well? I said, don't want the top, just the bottom. And so I bought it.
Tell me, did she know who you were?
She did. I said...
Yeah, because you had a loyalty card, yeah? Was that one free? Was it your 10th one?
You know what, where that G-string ended up in my wife.
Pits of hell? Oh, Holly.
Holly, where did you first see that G-string?
Well, I last saw the G-string when it came out of the wash and was then in the washing basket with all the other light-coloured clothes.
And did you wonder where it came from?
Totally. I was like, but I wasn't immediately suspicious. I was thinking, who's been at our house with bathers? Because I think you had bought the G-string from a swimwear shop, is that right?
From a swimwear, a Rip Curl.
Yeah, well,
it was a Rip Curl G-string bathers.
Yeah, I'll be honest, it does look like it's dealt with some moisture.
Did you at any point, Holly, and be honest here, at any point think that maybe I'm cheating on you and that was from a lady that I knew?
It was not the first thing my mind sprung to. My first thing my mind sprung to was who has been at our house, who's left their G-string here.
A man?
Well, then
if you hadn't been at home for me to say, why is this here, and for you to explain it, then I definitely probably would have got a bit more suspicious.
That's disappointing, isn't it? That is so disappointing, isn't it, Holly?
Well, I don't think you wanting to torture me mentally.
No, but I want you to, realise that I'm not a done deal.
Haven't you seen
at any point that someone could? Yes,
especially after these come out, Holly, they'll be
lining up.
They'll be lining up. Now, Holly, where do you
She
start?
hasn't seen those photos.
You haven't seen these photos?
No, she hasn't seen those
No,
photos.
I haven't seen it, but I don't want to see the photos.
Oh, they're coming. You have to live it.
Brand user.
This is all associated with the TV show. Usually you have a problem. When we come back,
You've got a problem.
we're gonna talk to one of the.
No, I have got someone who is also party to this. Another unsuspecting person that you submitted these images to in front of a studio audience. A poor, fantastic comedian who just came on to try and have some fun and is now scarred for life for what you've shown them.
Don't Ben.
Ben,
You can
look at it, Ben.
Look at
in my
the photos,
face,
mate.
it's
Look at it, mate. Look at
I
it.
don't think we can put them on the web.
Well, you know
I'm
what?
saying-
You're right. But I've got somewhere else we're going to put them. So you just be quiet. All right, let's have some fun.
Disturbing images are floating around this studio.
I don't want to see that phone, but I have.
Now I'm I don't think we should put that photo on our Instagram.
Might be too late. Dark web.
It's too late.
It's too late. Yeah, that's a thumbs up for a thumbs down. Oh, I'm looking at it. Oh, and it's getting comments. Oh, this isn't taking long. First one. Yeah, that's not nice. Yeah, that's not nice.
So anything,
Okay.
anything?
At this point? No.
Anything you can...
The early polling is unreadable on... Unreadable.
People don't know. It's a photo of me in a G-string, which I bought from the Rip Curl at the airport.
Why didn't you go to an underwear store? Why did you go?
It was a last-minute decision. And it was an idea I had for the TV show.
An impulse buy.
We've got an Instagram model, someone who's got over 1 million followers on Instagram,
Yeah.
and her problem is that an old woman had a crack at her bum in a shopping centre. And I'm like, butts are great. I've got a great butt as well.
Fantastic.
I'll buy a G-banger, and you'll see me in a G-banger, you know, you'll see how good I look.
This is rough. Alright, I've got to keep talking. I can't. Yeah, I'm just sort of hypnotised.
Is there
by
any
it.
comments?
At this point, there's nothing that can be read out on air that's okay. Just so you know. Just so you know, there's nothing. Here we go.
What if I look privately?
Oh,
Should I look at it or
No,
not?
I wouldn't. If I was
Don't
you,
look
I
at
would. Yeah. Listen.
They do.
Here we go. This is the promo.
Yep, I'll go with you. Ready?
Oh, gee. Looks like Husey has a problem. After so vital.
Now the problem there, your pants rip that exposes this G-string.
The G-banger, yeah.
Yeah, the G-banger. Or I reckon banger.
I can't say G-banger.
Not like that, and not when I've seen what I've seen. It's more of a G-flopper.
I actually don't like...
G-stiff
I
disappearer.
don't like the attitude I've got from the production team here at Husey Ned. Sasha, you have not shown any support. What do you
sick.
feel when
She's
you
been
saw
sick,
me
babe.
in that G?
But I had to see the photo. Ben called me over when he was looking at your phone going, what do I do with this? And it was
so you had to
so disturbing.
Then you didn't realise the context of why I'd taken that photo.
No, and I've worked with you for 19 years and I've never seen anything like
Can I
that.
ask you a question, Sash? Do you think that he's taken the photo and that's who he really is in life, and then once it's got Ben seen it, he's quickly rung up the television show and gone, why don't we do something about Instagram?
That's what we thought. It was some weird thing he was doing
No,
when
I
he was alone
haven't-
in a hotel.
I haven't gone back in time.
Can I, an email's come across my desk straight away. This is from your official website. Here we go. This is from Diana, who says, I didn't appreciate the ad for your TV show tonight on TV. It showed you bending over, your trousers splitting open and revealing your bum crack and bum cheeks. Disgusting. On TV at 7:55 at night when children are watching. Don't you have any shame or thought for young, innocent people seeing that on TV? Please protect our innocent children. Please don't allow that rubbish on TV. Regards, Diana, CEO of 10.
No, Diana, I'm not in charge of when they put the promos on. The show's on after 9 PM, so it's not my fault if they put a promo on earlier.
She's right. She's right, though. It's confronting. It's the first time I've seen a full crack-based promo. They're not doing that on Neighbours or
What do you say on
Survivor.
that? Speak to... What?
Oh, okay, all right, okay. I'll speak to one of your victims. There's Steph Tisdale, who's on the show tonight, a fantastic comedian, currently touring.
Yeah, of course she is, because she's a brilliant comedian.
Yeah, she's a chair. Hi, Steph.
Oh, stop it. Hello.
Are you okay? And you were one of the victims because you didn't know this was going to take place. You're sitting there trying to have fun on a TV show, and then there it was, right in your face.
Look, and there I was. I said, look, I'll do the TV show if you want me to. And then out of nowhere, Houston comes in with his bum in my face.
Yeah.
There's not much you can do in that situation.
Yeah, but Steph, it wasn't in
I
your...
don't want to offend him. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Steph,
no,
it wasn't in your face. It was a split pant, and it was for everyone to... I'm not going to say enjoy, but
Yeah,
it
you
was
were
for
trying to say
everyone
enjoy. Steph, would you say you enjoyed it? Scale of 1 to 10?
I would say it looks like a bacon and egg muffin.
Yeah, that's up.
And I'm a vegan now, so there's
actually,
irony there, isn't it?
He's taken that as a compliment, Steph. He's actually been bucked up by that.
Well, people do like to eat bacon and egg muffins, don't they?
No.
Oh, well, have you ever
Well,
been...
sure, look, it's definitely it's a personal taste sort of thing.
Do you enjoy bacon and
personal taste.
Steph, do you enjoy bacon and egg McMuffins yourself?
I love
She
bacon and egg
does.
McMuffins.
Oh, well, you weren't. She wasn't tempted to lean over and have take a bite out of it. And I could see your nuggets. It was awful.
No, you couldn't see the nuggets. The nuggets weren't there. They
they gone?
They were in their own pound. At the front.
that-
No, I'm not going to say
All
Dutch
right.
again. Steph, though, it was a bloody lot of fun.
Steph? You just called her
I
Steph.
called her Steph, not Stiff. I'm not Kiwi. Steph, we're going to see you tonight, all right? On the TV. I'm excited. You excited?
Oh, yeah, no, I am actually. I'm really excited.
Welcome to
I don't
showbiz.
think about it again, I'll be honest.
Welcome to showbiz, Steph. It's rough.
Hughesy and Ed are driving you home. Missed any parts of the show? Download the Hit app.
It's straight to your phone.
Every day.
Whether you play netball, rugby, football, or soccer, the Athlete's Foot has the perfect fit for all sports for the whole family. With a huge range of the biggest brands including Asics, New Balance, Adidas, Mizuno, and X-Blades.
It's Hughesy and Ed for the drive home.
100% of any donation made at your local Foodworks will go straight back to a local community affected by the bushfires.
Flights on Flash on Cleveland Road and Leicester Street through Cooperoo. Some busy conditions on the gateway northbound from Boondall to the Bruce, the Riverside Expressway and Captain Cook Bridge both in and out of the city, and the Western Freeway Indooroopilly out towards Victory Pocket. Metricon More Love Celebration is now on. Get even more out of luxury with amazing upgrades from Australia's biggest brands. Visit metricon.com.au to find out more. It's Chopper Dave, more traffic shortly.
Hey, it's 5 seconds of summer. We're coming up with Stav, Abby and Matt on Hit 105.
Yeah, tomorrow morning, just before 8.
We pitched one of our show ideas to them and they loved it.
Oh, that's very important. That's good radio. Fantastic radio. Good radio. That's Ashton and Luke from 5 Sauce tomorrow on Hit 105.
Power Shop, 100% carbon offset power you can be proud of.
Hit 105.
After having my baby, let's just say things weren't quite the same up top with my breasts. It was affecting my confidence, so I did something about it. Nothing drastic. I was just enhanced back to my authentic self with breast surgery. Dr. Andrew Broadhurst at Enhanced Plastic Surgery was amazing. Now my tops fit just right again, and I feel empowered to be myself. Get your confidence back. Start with a no-obligation chat. Google Enhanced Plastic Surgery.
Are you a compassionate person looking for an exciting new career? Talk to Breakthrough Community College. Breakthrough can help you achieve a Certificate 3 or 4 in disability, aged care and mental health to help you make a real difference in people's lives. Enrolments are now open for both online and face-to-face courses across Queensland. So if you're ready to break through to a rewarding new career, visit breakthroughcollege.edu.au or call 1-800-767-212.
Dinner is looking brighter. Adrian Richardson is back, barbecuing up some delicious recipes in Season 2 of The Chef's Secret. Tell us, Richo.
Well, this season I'm on the road, straight to the source of Australia's best produce. Ever cook fish and chips on a barbecue? I'll show you how. Want to boost your burger game? I've got you covered. Dishes to impress the whole family. And it all starts with natural gas, the basis of the best barbecue meals and the go-to for summer cooking.
The Chef's Secret. Easy weekly episodes that everyone will love. Google Brighter with natural gas.
Bris Asia Festival is back. Bris Asia Festival, delivered by Brisbane City Council, celebrates Asian culture with art, music, markets and activities all over Brisbane for the entire month of February. With heaps of free and low-cost events, Brisbane comes alive for the month of February with Asian flavours, colours, sights and sounds. To find more to see and do near you, visit Brisbane City Council's website at brisbane.qld.gov.au.